not a game, it's a rich thing.
Have you ever felt totally lost choosing between computer science and information technology? Like, what if you pick the wrong one and end up stuck in a job you hate? Or worse, what if you realize 3 years into your degree that you should have taken the other path? Well, today, we're solving that problem once and for all. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is right for you. And trust me, most people get this completely wrong. So stick around because we're breaking it down right now. Alright, here's the truth. Computer science is all about how computers work. It's theory, logic, and math. Information technology is about using computers to solve business problems. It's systems, networking, and support. Think of CS like the scientist who invents the formula, and IT as the technician who applies it in the real world. So if you love abstract thinking, algorithms, and coding from scratch, CS is your game. But if you enjoy managing tech systems, solving practical problems, and keeping businesses running, it is your playground. And if you're thinking, can't I do both? Kinda. But we'll talk about how to mix both worlds in just a second. But first, let's break down what you'll actually study. Here's what a computer science student dives into. Programming languages, Python, Java, C++, data structures and algorithms, AI and machine learning, cryptography, computer architecture, and lots of math. Seriously? Now, information technology students learn network administration, cybersecurity, database, management, cloud computing, IT project management, and how to support users and businesses. CS equals theory, coding, and algorithms. IT equals infrastructure, systems, and practical implementation. But now you're wondering, what about jobs? Which one actually pays better? Let's get into that right now. Here's the good news. Both fields are in demand and both can earn you 6 figures. But there's a difference in roles. CS grads often become software developers, AI engineers, cybersecurity, analysts, data scientists, computer vision experts, researchers. Information technology grads usually go into network admin systems, analyst cloud engineer, IT support, specialist DevOps, security operations. Here's the twist no one tells you. Most companies care more about your skills than your degree. So if you thought the title on your diploma will magically land you a job, it won't. What really matters is, what can you actually do? Still confused? Don't worry, let's clear it all up. So here's how to choose. Pick computer science if you enjoy problem solving and logic. Don't mind math. Want to build apps, software, or AI? Might go into research or cutting-edge tech. Pick information technology if you prefer real-world, hands-on work, like setting up networks or managing systems. Want a business-focused tech career? Enjoy helping others solve tech problems? Or forget the labels and just start building cool stuff. Because at the end of the day, your portfolio matters more than your degree. Pick the path that aligns with how your brain works. Then get obsessed with learning and build your skill set outside of class. But wait, now you're thinking, okay, I picked one. How do I actually get hired? Well, that's exactly what we're covering in the next video. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Because next time, we're diving into how to land your first job in tech, even without experience. See you in the next one.